Okay, I left my little dude or dudette here to sit and dry a bit because it's getting kind of sticky with all the glue, but we're all stuck on good now, so that's cool. Now, our angel, or fairy, whichever you want to call this fine being, is in need of some wings. I hunted around online among the copyright-free doodads, images I should say, and found one that was about what I wanted in terms of this kind of a butterfly wing. So I printed it out, cut it out, and then glued the paper to a bit of cardboard so it's a little bit sturdier, because otherwise it'll start to fall apart after being traced a few times. Now, I've got some papers that are colored on one side and plain on the other. That's not so exciting for something that is going to be seen in 2D. On the other hand, this has designs on both sides, so that's probably a little better. This also has designs on both sides. It's a very pale pink, so it's not so easy to see, but it does have designs on both sides, I promise. But not so super happy with that. It kind of goes, but not all that great. I'm terrible about putting the tops back on these glue sticks. You'd think I would learn one day, but hasn't worked so far. That, or you could do another one with roses. Now, I really want to find some blue, so I can thumb through here a bit. Getting frustrated. Or, let's see, I've got some more paper here. Definitely got some blue here. That's good. See if I can find some blue. That would look nice. This is a bit of blue and green, a little too pastel-y. And there's really no right or wrong here. It's just finding what you're happy with, and in this case I'm not so happy with that, so flip, flip, flip. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it's got blue in it and everything. That's purple, but it's in all different colors, so I can find some. This is really gorgeous paper. I must feel a little bit intimidated because I feel like, I don't want to waste it doing something pissy poo. Oy. Here we go. Let's see. That's golden green. Here, I have a bit of blue-green. I think that will do it. So, out we go. And of course I have to trace this. Oh, excuse me, I just seem to cough and cough and cough all the time now. Tricky. Want to waste as little of this nice paper as possible, so go around the edge as I And hold this up to the edge of the paper as I trace around it with the pencil. Ooh. Okay, so the little scissors here, and start at the corner. Actually, I think in the near future I'm going to try doing one of these with the zigzag scissors, just to see what kind of cool effect I can get, but I'm not going to do that on this project. I think the embossed paisley teardrops are, no, that's fancy enough. So, now this is of course only one-sided paper, however, even though it may be a little boring on back, there are ways to get around that. I mean, I can also put some designs on the back myself. So I didn't trace this so totally great. So, fixing it a bit as I cut. There we go. And this is, of course, one of the reasons why I have a whole bunch of little bitty leftover pieces of paper. And that's one of the things I like to do, is be able to recycle them, because this is gorgeous. And I hate to just, you know, toss it away. But that is nice. I'm also going to do a little bit around the edges here, just with a slightly darker blue. And that's just to give a little bit more emphasis. There we go. Also because you can a little bit see the whiteness of the paper, and that's boring. So we cover it up, make it go away, and you will not see it anymore. So just a bit on the back around the edges. Gas it up a little bitty bit. So now the moment of truth. Put some glue on there. And so, and of course, if you look on the back, you can see the body, the neck, the circle, and then the wings are somewhere on the base of the neck. It would be shoulders if this had shoulders and wasn't a stylized teardrop shape. And that needs to sit and dry a little bit. Meanwhile, I think I will do a bit around the edges here and here. Just a wee bit. It already looks nice, but just to give a little bit of a finishing touch. And so, here, once more, we've made an angel. Wow. And when I have let the glue dry, then I will bend the wings on that one a bit, because you get a cooler 3D effect, but I think it's best if I let it get completely dry first, so it doesn't come off. That would be really super annoying.